Wrong mode. Usually it's on video when I want to be on photo, but this time it was on photo when I wanted to be on video. Look at a dirty box. Oops, I didn't. What could have been? Who knows? I might have heard if we still had our old elevators here. Push the Series 1 buttons. Maybe electronics. Nope. They had to come modernize. I don't know what the old indicator was like. I don't see any numeric one. Anyway. Yeah, here it is. It's not a smoke alarm. I do love this blue stripes though. Broadening blue stripes. Reminds me of the base on Tatung fans, some of them. Base label, I should say. We had to wait a little bit because the battery on the phone was low. Well, that thing's thick. Didn't think it was this thick. Yeah, like I said, this has kind of been one of my grails. I've seen ones like this before on eBay. It says open up, yep. So I wonder if I just power this up now, it would say key loop trouble. Oh, I thought those were plastic. They're rubber. Here's your keypad, or I mean piezo. How do we wire this thing? Because there are wires, but it doesn't follow like the normal red, yellow, black, green. See? Yeah, look at that. Oh, I got an EOL. They show the inside of this. I have never seen a keypad with that many terminals and resistors in them. So maybe these here. So hopefully there's a angle in there. But there isn't. But there isn't. I wonder if maybe this is like an older sort of integrated one, like those links ones. That could be why it's so thick. I got it going, but nothing's happening right now. I've got to turn my shirt off, so yeah, see, not making any noise. Not going into trouble mode yet. And it didn't even make a sound when I connected it. Didn't even bleep or blip or click or anything. Not sure when this will come out. I might edit it on my computer. My iPad's gone. Screen cracked, so I'm waiting on a new one replacement. Yeah, nothing's happening. And at least I'm getting power to it. Probably wants other things connected to it. I was recording upside down, but that was upside down, so you were right side up. Anyway, yeah, like I said, I saw an ADT one a couple years ago. So when I finally decided I should get it, I'm gone. Ouch. But yeah, there's the horn. And you can see it right there. Looks like a little Murata. Like, which keypad is that I have that uses that? I think it's the Wells Fargo one. I think uses a little Murata like that. Anyway, might work with this in a little bit. But for now, probably thanks for watching.